We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
喂，红虫了。
Sorry. It is time for a Hakka lesson of the day. 我是 Joseph Lin。
你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
吓死我了！真的，最近睡眠不足啊，所以呢，我觉得今天我们顺便来跟大家讲说一夜好眠的方法有哪些。
OK，
你要不要来做一些建议？这样子。
比如讲，睡目前，唔好食太饱。
我记得这个东西，睡母前，我记得我说过，好像听起来像水母。
睡母。
睡就是睡觉。
睡母就是睡觉。
Okay, it sounds like jellyfish. I remember I made that mistake once. 水母 it means sleep. Okay, so 睡母前。
睡觉前。
Before sleeping.
唔好吃太饱。
唔好吃太饱。这我懂了。Don't eat too much. 不要吃太饱了。Okay, that is number one. If you eat too much, don't go to sleep immediately. Okay, allow a little time.
还要有。
我知道。多看电视，然后呢就睡着了。
看电视哦。
对。
这唔得啦。
不行吗？
电视唔记得关它，天钱懂贵耶。电视如果忘了关，电钱很贵。
对，所以其实是不应该看电视。
这唔得，看太久嘅电视啊。
That's a common mistake by many people, even myself. I feel like when I turn on the TV, it can make me go to sleep, but that's not a good idea. You don't want to get into that habit. 所以不要看电视助眠。Don't watch the television to fall asleep. 怎么说？
唔好看电视来睡梦。
唔好看电视来睡梦。Okay. How about make sure that you have a quiet environment?
我有点清嘅环境。
要有点清。
安静。
就是安静。又像台语点点，就是 shut up 点点。安静就是点清。Okay, so make sure you have a quiet environment. And finally, do not stay up late regularly.
唔好熬夜。
搞鸭。
熬夜。熬夜。
熬夜。Okay, 熬夜 that means stay up late. So do not stay up late regularly is 唔好不好。
熬夜。
不要熬夜。唔好熬夜。All right, follow those rules, and hopefully by time you can fall asleep regularly and have a great 8-hour sleep as you should. All right, so that does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什么太嘎
And good night to you. 安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.